Hi there, I'm Rich Baum. I'm a photographer based in Northern California. I've been shooting most of my life. I got my first camera at about 8 years old, film obviously, and now I'm a full-time professional photographer. And I have also worked in the feature film industry and television industry for 30 years as a prop master and production designer and art department and such. Um, my photography encompasses weddings, sports, portraits, and many other areas, but I really am working hard and really enjoying architecture and interiors real estate photography. I find it being probably the most challenging of all my photography assignments, and certainly can use all the help I can get. And as I'm always looking to step up my game to the next level, I found out about Charlie Borland's course, Mastering Architectural and Real Estate Photography. And I checked it out. I enrolled, and all I've got to say is it's great. I give a big thumbs up. It's crucial to learn more about it, especially if you're not only just shooting architectural and real estate photography, but if you want to get into lighting. Charlie goes through all the steps. He goes through the on-the-site steps of composing, lighting, but he also delves into the post-production and compositing, how to put things together, dealing with things such as corrections, verticals, things that you need to know. And unfortunately, you don't know what you don't know, I always say. So Charlie's going to point out the things you got to know. And these are really important rules because there are a lot of rules in real estate and architectural photography. I really like the way this course works. I love that I can download certain aspects of it and see it when I don't have live video or capabilities with internet. I'd like to commend Mr. Borland on his feedback, his personal. He really gets back to you. You send him a question, he gets back to you. That's how I got involved with him doing this interview. He really cares about what he's doing, and he gets back to you right away, which is really unusual in today's internet and courses. And I feel like I'm involved in a real class. It's really great. I give him feedback. He gives me back feedback. And really, I can't say enough great words for it. So I really think that this is a course that every photographer that's interested in real estate or architectural photography needs to get. But if you're already a real estate and an architectural photographer's interiors photography, you really owe it to yourself to see this video, because there certainly is something I think every photographer will gain from and learn from and get a bigger bag of tricks and better understand the post-processing and compositing, which is really popular these days. So I can't tell you how much I really appreciate Charlie getting out there and making these instructional videos. I've seen a lot of videos, and Charlie's is up there with the best of them. And the way it's presented in the format and the way it's worked with the online, it's really easy, it's really comprehensive, and it's just great. And you can watch it at your leisure whenever you want, as short or as quick. It's great stuff. So, hey, big thumbs up. I recommend it highly. You can check out my work if you'd like, and always feel free to contact me, put my information in there. But get out there, take pictures, but really learn what you're doing, because if you want to submit it and be a professional photographer, you got to know the rules and you got to understand what's going on. And this is one way to do it. Thanks a lot.